Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can subscribe for a number of other devices as well. So now let's move back towards our main concern. Guys, the topic of today's design idea is neckline embroidery patterns. Most of the neckline embroidery patterns are bot neck embroidery patterns, U-shape embroidery patterns, and crew neck style embroidery patterns. Different stylized patterns of other neckline embroidery have also been shared with you. So I would recommend you to watch that video till end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and trendy ideas. Guys, one more important thing, we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and intended purpose of making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share creativity, innovation with the ones who are artists, creators, and the lovers of hand embroidery. Guys, for everyday, lightweight, comfortable, breathable wear, these design ideas are absolutely best. Simple sort of hand embroidery stitches like stem stitch, fly stitch, chain stitch have been used, which gives the user or hand embroidery artist a more artistic and friendly and less effort embroidery pattern. You can use anchor, DMC, and even embroidery wool for making these patterns of embroidery. So, in the comment section, comment below which design you like the most and let us know what you want us to share with you in our new and latest upcoming videos. Until then, guys, take care and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.